Westside, and welcome back to the gymnasium. Today we're going to go back to our agility ladder that we used for the first time last week. And we got a new game for you today. So, get ready for the gymnasium. We've got some new exercises. With creating our ladder, remember you can create that ladder anywhere there's a nice solid surface for a floor. So you can use tape to mark out that surface, whether it's on a sidewalk. You can use some painter's tape if you're going to use any floor inside your house. Make sure you ask a parent for that safety to make sure everybody's floors look nice after we exercise. Or you can use some type of ropes to make a ladder. Right? So find space, set up that ladder. You can have it as long as you want or as short as you want. Just make sure you've got about 8 rungs, that means squares, within your ladder that you can use. All right? We will have 6 cards today, 6 activities I'm going to show you, 2 easy, 2 medium, and 2 hard. And then I'm going to have you create some as well. I love some of the patterns you showed me this week. Okay, we will build off that. Okay, our first drill, we're going to be going in and out. In and out. I will be starting by putting my feet in the first square, inside, and then for the next square, I'm going to be on the outside. And the next square, I'm going inside. Next square, I'm going outside. In, out, and then walk back to the start, and do a little bit faster. So go in, out, in, out. Try it out. And to branch off that, you can make your feet go separately as well. You don't have to go at the same time. So I could go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So if you want to make it a little more challenging, go separate feet. Easier, feet at the same time. Give it a go. Okay, next movement. For this movement, we're just going to use one foot, meaning we're going to hop. If you need to put your other foot down just to balance for a second, do that, but then put your foot back up for a hop. First time through, we're going to use any foot we want, using just that one foot, and then the next time through, use the other foot. So we're not going to get lopsided. For this exercise, I'm going in and out of each square. If I use the left foot, I'm going to go to the left side of the square. If I use my right foot, I would go to the right side of the square. So notice, I'm going in, out, in, out of each square. So one foot in, one foot out. Left side go to the left side, right go to the right side. In, out, up, in, out, in. Try it out. Single foot, in and out of your ladder. Give it a go. And now we're going to be thinking all outside of the ladder. So I'll be stepping with my right foot to the outside of one side of the ladder, and then on the same rung to the left side, and balance on that. This is a medium exercise. Okay? Each square, both sides. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now notice, when I did that, when I went to my left, I was on the left. I went to the right. I was on the right. I am not going down the middle of my ladder with both my feet on the side. So have all your body on one side, and we switch over, make sure it's on the other side. That's a medium. That's a little more of a challenge. Try it out. And now for this medium challenge, we're going to keep our feet together. We're going to be jumping. So anytime both my feet leave at the same time and land at the same time, it is a jump. And I'm also going to be staying inside of the ladder. So my first jump is going to be in. Now I'm going to twist to my right and look at you. And then I'm going to twist back to look down the ladder. And back at you. So forward, side, forward, side. So again, I'm going to start 2 feet together. Take your time. Get the pattern. Move with your feet. Notice my feet together. Jumping, twisting on the ladder. Give it a go. All right, we're going to do a hard one for our skill this time. We're going to be going backwards. And we're going to make it a simple backwards. We're just going to make sure our foot goes in each square of our ladder one time. You can start with your right foot and follow with your left, or left and follow with your right. But I'm just going backwards, putting each foot in each square at least once. So if you're doing a little faster, I'm going to make sure I have my space. I won't look over my shoulder. I look forward and look down just a little bit so I can see that red line. So if you take small steps, even if you can't see where you're going, you'll more likely land in your rungs. Okay? Try that out. See where your steps go, and then fix them a little bit and try and get them inside that square. It's a great challenge for any grade. Backwards. 1 foot each time in each square. Last challenge, jumping jacks. Very similar to the first exercise we did where we did in, out, in, out, in, out. So now with the jumping jacks, I'm going to jump in the first one and my hands will be by my side. For a jumping jack, my feet go wide, my arms go in the air. Arms down when I'm in, arms up when I'm out. In, out. Try that out again, going a little bit faster. Again, hands out, in, out, in, out. Jumping jacks, that is a challenge, moving down the ladder. Try that out. Okay, now it's going to be your turn to make up some movements for your ladder. Now we did that last time, so now we're going to add on to that. This time, similar to the game with our siblings that we've been playing with different patterns and challenging them, now using the ladder, make a pattern and challenge somebody else to do it. And you can do a pattern just like we do with the other exercises, that we add a new piece to that pattern each time. So for your challenge, make up a pattern and challenge somebody else to see if they can do it. If they can do it, they make up one, and then you try it. Ladder skills, ladder movements. They're a great way to move around, have fun, especially on these rainy days. All right, enjoy. Okay, we're going to play a game using both our ladder that we've been using and created, and then those bean bags that we've been using. If you don't have your bean bags handy, use a couple socks. I'm going to use some fuzz balls to resemble that. So how we're going to do this is for a tossing game, you can play by yourself or you can play with others, is I have put labels here for how many points each of these squares are, and my throwing spot is going to be back here by the red spot. So I start here. I'm really close so you can see me, but you can back this up as much as you need for a challenge. So I would be tossing this beanbag, trying to make the points I believe I can make. So 5 would be the end, and then counting down towards me, 4, 3, 2, 1. So when it's my turn for my 2 beanbags, I simply toss, and if it lands inside that square, I get that many points. So I tossed. If it's on the line, you and your partner decide how many points that's worth, but it looks like I got 4 and 2. That would be 6. And my partner would go and try and beat that score. So like our other games, play by yourself or with a partner, you create what score you go up to, or if you even want to go to a score, maybe play a team game with a sibling and see how many throws it takes for both you and them to make it all the way to 100 together, or pick a number that's high. So make a challenge out of it. Again, it's raining outside. This is another great rainy day activity. Your sidewalk chalk can be drawn outside. You can put some ropes inside. You can some tape on a floor. Be creative. Take the opportunity. Be active. I hope you enjoy it.